In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chat font size in Discord on PC. If you want your Discord messages to look bigger and easier to read, or smaller so you can fit more text on the screen, this is a quick setting you can adjust directly inside Discord. The nice thing is that you do not need to reinstall anything or change your computer's display settings. Everything can be done from your Discord dashboard in just a few moments. To begin, open Discord on your PC and go to your main Discord dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your servers, direct messages, and the usual chat layout. Make sure the app is fully open so you can access the settings menu without any issues. Once you are on the dashboard, look toward the bottom left area of the screen, near your profile section. Next to your profile, you will see a small gear icon. Click that gear icon to open user settings. This is where Discord keeps most of the personal customization options for your account and app experience. After the settings menu opens, look at the left-hand column, scroll if needed until you find the experience section, and then click on accessibility. This area includes display and usability options that help you tailor Discord to your preference. If your text feels too small, too large, or simply uncomfortable to read during long chats, this is the right place to make the adjustment. Now find the setting labeled text size in chat. You will see a slider that you can drag left or right. Dragging the slider in one direction will decrease the font size, while dragging it in the other direction will increase it. As you move the slider, Discord will update the chat text size so you can judge what feels most comfortable. Take a moment to test a few sizes and choose one that works best for your screen and reading preference. A helpful tip here is to aim for a size that feels clear without making the chat window feel crowded. If you spend a lot of time reading long conversations, slightly larger text can reduce eye strain. If you prefer seeing more messages at once, a smaller size may work better. And that's it. Once you set the slider where you want it, your chat font size is updated. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to change chat font size in Discord on PC.